Most important MCQs. Most of relation and function. Question number 1. Relation are in the set of real number defined as r is equal to ordered pair AB such that A less than equal to B square is option A reflexive and symmetric, option number B reflexive, symmetric and transitive, option number A reflexive and symmetric and transitive, option number B transitive, option number B reflexive but neither symmetric nor transitive, reflexive but neither symmetric nor transitive, option number C transitive but neither reflexive nor symmetric, and option D neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Solution. First of all, we have to check for reflexive. If we take A is equal to 1/2, let and check relation reflexive be exist or not. We see that here 1/2 square not be exist. Therefore, each number can't be less than 20 square of this. If it is in fraction, therefore reflexive relation does not exist. Therefore, it is not reflexive. No. For second, symmetric. Suppose we have to take ordered pair 2 and 5. We say that 2 less than 5 square exist, but 5 not less than 2 square. Therefore, 5 does not exist. So, it is not symmetric. It is not symmetric relation. Now for transitive, third one is transitive. Let take one ordered pair 9, -4. This implies 9 less than equal to minus 4 square exists, and a second order pair minus 4 comma 0. This imply minus 4 less than 0 square exists, but 9 not be less than square is equal to 0 square. Therefore 9 comma 0 does not exist, so it is not transitive. Option D the right answer. Neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Option D is the right answer. Now question number 2. Let capital A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, then the total number of relation, then the total number of relation containing containing 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 3 ordered pairs which are reflexive and transitive, but not symmetric. Are option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, and option D 1. Again, suppose a set A having 1, 2, 3, there are 3 elements, then the total number of relations containing 1, 2 and 2, 3 which are reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. Solution. The smallest reflexive relation on the set A containing, first of all we have to determine the smallest reflexive relation on set A containing 1, 2 and 2, 3. What will be that is? R is equal to ordered pair 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3 and 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 3. This is the smallest ordered pair containing reflexive, that is the 1, 1, 2, 2, 3 the must for reflexive, and 1, 2 and 2, 3 or restriction we have to add these. So there are 5 ordered pair. Here the relation will be reflexive but not be symmetric and not transitive. Our target we have to complete it for transitive. So what ordered pair be added to it? That is, we have to check 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. So we have to need first of all 1, 3 for making it to transitive. Therefore add and name R1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3 and 1, 3 is the must. This is the first ordered pair. 1, 3 must to make it transitive, and reflexive is already exist, but it will not be symmetric. That is the first relation R1. So how many ordered pair be now? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 3 ordered pair left. So what are the ordered pair be left to it? That is 2, 1, 3, 2 and 3, 1. 2, 1, 3, 2 and 3, 1 ordered pair be left here. 2, 1, 3, 2 and 3 ordered pair. There are 9 ordered pair. If we make the Cartesian product 1, 2, 3 to itself, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2 and 3, 3. There are 9 ordered pair exist in A cross A. So there are 3 ordered pair left. So we have to add one by one in each. We have to add one by one, 2 1, 3 2 and 3 1 in R1 separately and get other three relation also. That will be R2 multiply 1 1 2 2 3 3 1 2 2 3 1 3. If we add 2 1 and check, up to here it transitive, but 2 1 1 2 and 2 1, it is not symmetric since 3 2 not will lie in this. But if you take 1 to 2 and 2 to 1, that 1 to 1, it is transitive also. Now this time the R2 is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric, since if you take anywhere 1 to 2, 2 to 3, that is 1 to 3, so it's so transitivity. Again you have to take 2 to 3 and from not start to from here 1 to 3, not start to from here 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 1 to 3. Yes, again 2 to 1 and 1 to 3, that will be 2 to 2. One to 2, 2 to 1, 1 to 3, that is 1 to 2 and 2 to 1, that will be 1 1. So therefore it is transitive. Again R3 1 1 2 2 3 3 1 2 2 3 1 3 and 3 2. It will also be reflexive and transitive. And R4 1 1 2 2 3 3 1 2 2 3 1 3 and 3 1. So there are total 4 relation be exist under the condition which are reflexive, transitive but not symmetric. Therefore option number C is the right answer. Now question number 3. Function f n to n, natural number to natural number, defined by fn is equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, if n is even, is option A 1 1 and on to B many 1 and on to C many 1 and into, or option C 1 1 into. Solution: if we take n is equal to 1, so 1 is the odd number. F of 1 using this definition 1 plus 1 by 2, since n is odd, so 1 is odd, so 1 plus 1 by 2, that will be 1 plus 1 by 2, 2 by 2 is equal to 1. When domain take n is equal to 1, then image be 1. Again f of 2 is the even number, so using definition 2 by 2, again we get 1. So here we see that here f of 1 is equal to, here f of 1 is equal to f of 2, but 1 not equal to 2, therefore it is many 1, therefore it is many 1, therefore f is many 1. Now again we have to check, further we have to check, is it onto or not onto. So check for onto. Let n be any natural number belongs to capital N If n is odd, then 2n minus 1 also be odd. Therefore, f of 2n minus 1, using the definition of odd number, 2n minus 1 plus 1 by 2, that will be n. And if n is even, then 2n it also be even. Then using the definition of even number, f of 2n, that will be 2n by 2 bn. So we see that the range of both bn, where nb is small, nb natural number. So meaning of that, all natural number in codomain set have their preimage in term of 2n, 2n minus 1. Therefore it is onto. Since all natural number have their preimage in domain set in 2n minus 1 and 2n form, therefore it is onto. That is option number B. B the right answer. Many one onto. Many one onto is the right answer. Now question number 4. Function from z to z given by fx is equal to x cube is option A, many one onto, option B, 1 1 onto, option C, 1 1 but not onto, or option D, many one but not onto. Solution. First of all, we have to check for 1 1. fx is equal to x cube let us consider fx1 is equal to fx2, therefore x1 cube is equal to, using definition, for all x1 x2 belongs to z. Now x1 cube minus x2 cube is equal to 0, using the formula of difference of cube, x1 minus x2, x1 square plus x2 square plus x1 x2 is equal to 0. If x1 minus x2 is equal to 0, this implies x1 is equal to x2. It shows it is 1 1. Now 4 onto, let y is equal to x cube, therefore x is equal to y cube. We see that here the all integer in term of y do not have their perfect cube in domain sets. Suppose we have to take 5. So 5 to the power 1 upon 3 do not have their perfect cube. 7, there is a 1b exist. If you take 1 exist, 1 to the power 1 upon 3 is 1. 8 to the power 1 upon 3 2, but all y do not have their perfect cube. Therefore it will not be y. Therefore all values of y do not have their pre-image in domain. Therefore it is not onto. Therefore option C is the right answer. 1 1 but not onto. Thanks.